What's up guys, hello traders around the world, welcome to another exciting video on Trading Kernel. In this video we're going to be looking at the Forex Fury robot, which is currently available on Trading Kernel just for $25 only. Alright, that's a huge discount. And basically we've created 3 set files categories for Euro USD, USD JPY and GBP USD. Okay, they are very different set files, and we've been testing these individual set files for the past 48 hours, and you can see here we really had a successful result here. Okay, we've had about 341 USD in profits from our 5,000 deposit balance. All right, so I'm just really going to show you how to install this right now. Okay, so this is a fresh terminal here. So guys, this is the file you get when you download the software from Trading Kernel. You can see we have the Forex Fury here, we have the experts folder, and then we have the set files. Okay, so let's just quickly head to the installation. Once you're in your terminal, go to file, go to data folder here. Okay, open up your data folder here. Okay, so once you've done that, click on MKL4, go to experts, and let's open the other directory here. Okay, so just go to experts, you copy the Forex Fury here, and then you paste it in your experts folder here. Right, so you pasted that in our experts folder here. If you go back to Forex Fury here, go to set files, we copy the entire set file here. Okay, we copy the entire set file here, and then we go to presets here, and then we paste that here. All right, so we've currently pasted that. Now we have the Forex Fury set files here. So if you can just open this up, you can see we have different categories of the balances that you should use. Okay, so we have for the $100 account, the $200 account, the $500 account, and the $1,000 account as well. Okay, but preferably it's preferred that you use the $1,000 account. All right, because Forex Fury isn't really a martingale software. It's a really good Forex robot, so it's preferred that you use a $1,000 account. All right, and then we have the Euro USD set file, we have GBP USD set file, and the USJPY set file. Okay, so you can just cancel out of here once you're done with copying the files, and then you go to your terminal. All right, so we currently have Euro USD on the 1 minute time frame. I'm just going to change that to the 15 minutes time frame, and we're going to load for USD JPY and GBP USD. Okay, so we currently have these 3 set files here. We currently have these 3 charts open here. Rather, we're going to open them on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so we currently have them loaded up here. Next thing we're going to do is going to click on the navigator, and we're going to drag the Forex Fury. Okay, you drag the Forex Fury here. We're going to load the set file for the $1,000 account. Okay, so basically here, if you're going to be using the $1,000 account, we have 3 charts open here. So for every chart you should have a separate $1,000. Okay, so for the 3 set files here, if you're going to be trading with the Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD JPY, you should have at least a minimum of $3,000 in your balance. Okay, so you can have $1,000 for each chart. Okay, so that's how it works. If you're using the $500 set file, you have $500. You should have about 1,500 minimum. Right, so that's just basically how it works. Right, so we're going to load this is we are currently on the USJPY chart, so we're going to load the one for USD JPY. Okay, you can see that has a 140% year to date. Right, click on OK. This currently trades on Monday and Thursday only. Okay, these are the most profitable days. Okay, so you shouldn't expect to trade on any other day apart from Monday and Thursday. Okay, so click on OK. You can see that has been loaded up. So you do the same for the other pairs. You're just going to do the same here. We're going to drag the Forex Fury here. We're going to load the set file for Euro USD. Okay, remember it's on the 15 minutes time frame. They're all on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, so you can see the Euro USD here. It trades on Monday, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Okay, so this is the optimized set file here that takes out the days which is most profitable. Okay, so we've done that for Euro USD. Once we have a tick here, it's going to load. Okay, but let's just load it on GBP USD as well. Okay, so we're going to drag it on GBP USD. We're going to load the Forex Fury here. We're going to load the set file for GBP USD. Click on Forex Fury set files, $1,000 account, and GBP USD. Okay, so this one trades on Monday and Friday. Okay, click on OK. Then you have that. Right, you can see we have it loaded on all the pairs. right? You can see it loaded all the pairs, and that's for the installation, right? That's that for the installation. The spread, the lot size 0.1, as you can see, lot size 0.1 for all the pairs. All right, this is for the $1,000 account. All right, it has varying stop loss and take profits. Okay, so let's just review the trades it took so far on the chart. You can see here, this is USD JPY. It took some trades here. Okay, it took some sell trades here. You can see the markets went down and we took profit around somewhere here. Okay, so for GBP USD here, you can see it also took some sell trades here. All right, so that's basically how we ended up in this set of profits here. Okay, I think it's really nice. You can follow the statistics of these forex robots on MYFXBOOK. When you visit the URL, I'll be dropping the description below. All right, so just follow it to see how it works. It's currently available on Trading Kernel for a huge discount, right? And it's very limited, so you should get it fast. So guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye for now.